Hey guys, it's Fraser from MWave, and today we're going to be building an AMD based system that is available for purchase or customization on our website. So here are the parts for today's build. For the motherboard, we have the MSI B550 TOMAHAWK. Looks great and uses AMD's latest B550 chipset and has PCI Express Gen 4 support. For RAM, we have 2 sticks of high-frequency 3200 MHz Corsair Vengeance RAM, making a total of 16 GB dual-channel memory. For the SSD, we are using a Seagate M.2 1TB FireCuda 520, and it's an absolute speed demon, with read speeds of up to 5 GB per second and write speeds of up to 4.4 GB per second. It takes advantage of increased PCI Express Gen 4 bandwidth by operating up to 45% faster than PCI Express Gen 3 SSDs. The CPU we are using is the AMD Ryzen 5 3600X. It's an excellent 6-core, 12-threaded performer, and it has been very popular since release. In fact, it's the CPU I use in my personal rig at home too. The case is the popular MasterBox TD500 by Cooler Master. It comes with a mesh front panel, tempered glass side panel, and 3 ARGB fans at the front. We have the ever-popular Seagate BarraCuda 3.5-inch hard drive, giving us another 4 TB of reliable mechanical storage, taking our overall total to 5 TB of space. To power the system, we have a Cooler Master MWE 750W. It's a solid choice with fully modular cables, a gold rating, and offers plenty of power overhead for overclocking or future upgrades. To cool the Ryzen 5 3600X, we are using the Cooler Master ML360R liquid cooler. We're going to install it to the front of the case, and then we're going to install an additional Cooler Master ARGB fan to the rear exhaust in order to complete the overall look. And for the graphics, we are using an MSI GeForce RTX 2060 Super. It's ideal for graphically intensive titles or for high frame rate esports gaming. All this will run on Windows 10 Home 64-bit. And here's the completed build. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to buy this exact PC or customize it, feel free to check below the video for a link to the MWave custom PC configurator.